To forward calls on the Google Pixel 9 Pro, first of all click on the phone dialer and tap on the three dots in the right upper corner and move into the settings. Right now you will have to go for calling accounts and pick one of the SIM cards. So I would like to forward calls from this SIM card. Select call forwarding. Now just wait for the loading screen, but we already can find some options like always forward, when busy, when answered, and the last one, when we actually have our phone turned off, or when the phone is actually turned off or we don't have SIM card inside. So now let's say that I want to always forward. Input the phone number that you want to forward the calls, click to turn on. Now just wait for the updating settings, and that will be all. So thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.